Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you're looking for a way to get started with Yahoo Mail, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Yahoo Mail inside the search box. Once you come across this application, simply download the application on your device and tap on the open button to open the app. In the first interface, you will come across these options. If you want to sign into your existing account, you can select either the sign in with Yahoo or the Google option. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on sign up to get registered. Now, tap on the continue button to end up to yahoo.com on a web browser, and then inside the create a Yahoo account form, you will need to fill some of the details. Type in your full name in the first text box and then your surname on the next. Enter a new Yahoo email address you would like to set. After you are done, create a strong password inside the password field. Make sure to double check your password by tapping on the little eye icon. Once you are done, enter your date of birth on the next field. Finally, after filling in all of the details, tap on continue. On the next page, you will need to enter a recovery mobile number. Simply go ahead and type in a recovery phone number of yours. After you are done, tap on the send code button at the bottom. Now enter the 6-digit long code sent to you via your SMS and tap on verify. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to create a new account for Yahoo Mail. So that's how easily you can sign up or register for Yahoo Mail within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.